Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that many of us might encounter. So, imagine you have a Mac Mini and an external SSD, but here's the catch: the SSD only has a USB-A port. Currently, you're using a USB-A to USB-A cable to connect the SSD to the Mac for data transfer. The question arises: if you switch to a USB-A to USB-C cable to connect the SSD to the Mac, will you be able to transfer data faster? We all know that Mac Thunderbolt USB-C ports can handle data much faster than regular USB-A ports. However, since the SSD only has a USB-A port and not a USB-C port, does using the USB-C cable still make a difference in speeding up data transfer? That's the problem we're diving into today. In terms of the solution, unfortunately, the answer is no. Even if you were to switch to a USB-A to USB-C cable, the limiting factor in this scenario will still be the USB-A bottleneck on the SSD device. The thing is, newer cables and connectors are designed to slow down to match the speeds of old legacy protocols. So, even if you use a fancy new cable with a USB-C connection on the computer end, the speed won't be any faster than when using the USB-A to USB-A cable. It's like trying to pour water through a narrow funnel. No matter how wide the exit is, the bottleneck is at the beginning. In summary, when faced with the dilemma of transferring data between your Mac Mini and an external SSD with only a USB-A port using different cables, the speed of data transfer won't change significantly. The bottleneck ultimately lies in the USB-A port on the SSD device. So, stick to the USB-A to USB-A cable you're currently using, as switching to a USB-A to USB-C cable won't make the process any faster. Anyway, I hope this video was informative and clarified any doubts you had about this common issue. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy transferring!